Today's video is unboxing the October TOYL box. Let's get it open. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is this is the October TOYL box. So you haven't seen this box on my channel for a few months because I haven't been receiving it, and I didn't notice because I unboxed quite a few boxes. I hadn't noticed. I got an email this month from the delivery company saying, right, yeah, it's been delivered, and I was like, no it hasn't. And I looked at the photo in the email and it had been delivered to my old address. So I got in touch with TOYL asking like what's going on. I've moved, I give you my new address. And when I checked, I actually haven't received it. This is the third one that I hadn't received, and I was like, what's going on? But their customer service was absolutely fantastic. I sent an email. I sent a message on Instagram and I commented on their public page. And yeah, they rang me actually. I got a telephone call just apologising about everything. But yes, I have my October box. The other couple of months have been sorted. And I'm now on a watch list for the next few months to make sure that it comes to my address. But fantastic customer service. But let's get on with it. Let's open it up. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my... Can't open it. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. This is inside the box. We have the edit card with all of the product details in there, so we will be looking at that throughout the video. And yeah, here is inside, all lovely packed. And I'm just going to move everything up so we can actually have a sneak peek. There we go. There is a very quick sneak peek. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Right, so on the edit card, it just says here that this box is worth £197.10. So if you are interested in getting this box for yourself, I don't know if you can still get this box, but if you want to register so you get monthly box from them, I'll put a link down below in the information box, in the comment box. I can't remember, have I got, because I haven't done this unboxing in ages, I don't know if I've got any codes or anything, but all the details will be down below. But yeah, I'll pop a link there. It's £40 a month and you can cancel it at any time. You do get an email a few days beforehand just telling you what it's going to be in your box, so you can pause it if you don't want it. But yeah, let's do this. The first item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Living Proof. I absolutely love this stuff. So this is Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This has an RRP of £12. This is not a full size. I think, what is this, like a deluxe size or something? It just says this dry shampoo actually cleans your hair by absorbing oil, sweat and odour while leaving your hair with a touch of texture and a crisp, long-lasting scent. Yeah, I've had a few of these in my time and I absolutely love this stuff. I actually have none, so really glad to get some to pop in my drawer because it's one of the best, or is the best shampoo I've tried so far. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Gatineau Paris, and this is an aqua water cream. It has an RRP of £49. It just says water is key for the skin during midlife and particularly during the menopause. All of us could do with more, and this product is great for helping hydrate skin beautifully. This cream by one of our favourite brand works for dehydrated and sensitive skins. This water fresh gel with barberry fig floor extract, shea butter, seaweed actives promote a lasting hydration for the skin, leaving it soft, glowing, silky and smooth. Yeah, great, and lovely brand. I've used a couple of bits from this brand now, and yeah, been fantastic. So that is what it looks like. Oh, it feels lush and smells absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, and look at that glow that it's left on my hand. Yeah, that I'm really excited to use that. The third product we have in the box is this. This is a big bobber. So this is by the brand 111 Skin, and it's Intensive Beauty Dose. It has an RRP of £125. Oh my god. It just says the capsules feed your skin from the inside to help tackle the damage caused by free radicals. Created by an accredited Harley Street plastic surgeon, this brand is a worldwide phenomenon. It's stocked in Harrods. This range is superb in repairing skin. Skin aging is caused by both internal processes and external environmental factors. That's why the holistic approach is the most effective, surefire way to slow the process. These transformative encapsules antioxidize and formulate to target antioxidant stress and free radical damage, as well as internal toxins. Okay. Adults take 3 capsules a day with a meal, as a food supplement, or as directed by a healthcare professional. Wow, oh my goodness. Wow, look at the packaging. I don't think I've ever had any tablets or vitamins or anything look like that before, and it's in an actual glass bottle as well, frosted. Okay, yeah, we'll definitely have to give them a go to see what they can do. Fourth item we have is this. It is by the brand Origins, and this is a high potency night amends. Lovely jubbly. It's a resurfacing cream. This overnight peel sloughs off dry, dead layers of skin while hydrating, so you look fresh and glowing in the morning. A 2-in-1 overnight moisturiser and peel with fruit-derived AHAs that puts dullness to rest for glowing skin that's smoothed and renewed. Formulated with fruit-derived AHAs and grapes of sugar and beets. Apply nightly to face and neck. Cool. I love this brand. It's so good. I've tried lots of products from this brand and loved about every single one of them, to be honest. So yeah, I can't wait to slap that on my face. With the October box, we actually get 2 free freebies this month, which is fab. So the first freebie we have is this. So this is by the brand Erborian. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is red pepper pulp, known for its exceptional energizing properties and a cream designed to boost your skin's glow. Erborian has developed a red pepper extract from the pulp of the fruit, making it gentle on the skin and powerful on radiance, like an energizing recharge. Red pepper pulp boosts the skin's natural glow, a fresh gel cream texture that melts onto the skin and immediately helps to plump it with moisture. That sounds really, really good. I've had 1 or 2 products by this brand, and as far as I can remember, I've liked them. But there it is there. So it's got like a little bit of a red tint to the gel. It's a barely there scent, but it's very, very pleasant. I don't think you can see much there, but it feels pleasant on the skin. Feels very nice, actually. Yeah, and it's totally disappeared. Ooh. I love trying new stuff. The second freebie in the box, also the last item in the box, is this. So this is by the brand Nutrient Hair Food, and this is Quinorna Hair Mask. Has an RRP of £3. Oh, I don't think I mentioned the other free item has a worth of £4.75, just in case I didn't, because I can't remember mentioning it. But this is, let's have a look. Nature your hair and colour fix with a long-lasting colour and shine. It's formulated with 99% naturally derived ingredients and enriched with quinoa, a complete protein containing all essential amino acids that intensifies and prolongs hair colour whilst also boosting shine. Alongside quinoa, milk thistle is used as a natural silicone substitute to leave the hair silky and shiny and more manageable, while shea butter helps to maintain vital moisture and reduce breakage. Yeah, so after shampooing, you pop this on your hair and leave for 4 minutes. So yeah, cool. Love hair stuff, love trying new hair stuff, especially it's supposed to be good for your hair. Right, guys, so this is the October box. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a really, really good box. I mean, I'm looking at the value again, and it's worth £197.10. That's a lot of money. Obviously, bearing in mind it's coming from that, because that's £125. Oh my god. I'm gonna use them. It's nice to try them. In real everyday life, I won't repurchase that because I can't afford that. So that's why I love getting these boxes, because I get products that I can't afford. But yeah, Living Proof Dry Shampoo, awesome, love it. That is awesome on your skin. My hand feels so soft using that. Love getting hair stuff. Origins, love Origins, and that red pepper thing looks good. So yeah, a really nice box. Yeah, really happy. It's got my seal of approval in anyway. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.